I would like to welcome you to our channel in Tammy's kitchen out here in the deep woods in North Florida. This is outdoor kitchen. This is a pole barn covered with T111. But what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be showing you something that is so easy and so simple. My mother taught me how to make this over the phone when I was about 22 years old. Yeah, I remember that day very vividly. It was the first meal that I had actually ever prepared for myself, believe it or not. You can use this with any kind of roast. You can do a pork roast, you can do a rump roast, you can do a pot roast, round. As long as you can cook it and make it tender enough for your liking, you are good to go. We do have a secret ingredient, and that secret ingredient is our own homemade onion soup mix. All right, but you can get the Lipton onion soup mix, but what you're gonna find is if you make it with this, you're gonna like it a whole lot better. No preservatives, all natural, one ingredient, dump ins, and you're done. Anyway, Tammy makes this all the time. We use it. It's delicious, and we're gonna use that tonight. All right, what we're gonna need for this is we're gonna need to have some onions, which I already cut up. And the reason they're cut up is because I cut them up while we was recording and discovered the microphone wasn't working, so we had to start over. We're gonna need some potatoes. We're gonna need some carrots. Some mushrooms would be really good, not necessary. And then you're gonna need some fresh ground pepper. This is the onion soup mix. I'll put a link right there so that you can find that video. Tammy did an awesome job. And tonight we're going to be using fresh St. Louis pork ribs. All right, let's go ahead and finish cutting up on these potatoes. Like I said, nothing fancy. What I was saying when I was doing the onions is I cut the onions and left them chunky, because like when these things get done and you take that fork and you go to stab it and eat it, you got you some onion. So we'll just go ahead and finish cutting all these up and then move on to the next step. Okay, gonna cut up these carrots, get the ends gone. Same thing on the carrots. Whoop, chunky monkey. Remember what I told you about rolling that knife instead of chopping directly down into the cutting board. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these veggies. I'm going to get them out of my way. Okay, see if I can get them all in there, at least make enough room that I can have some working room on the cutting board. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to go ahead and get my ribs ready. Slide it out, just like that. And I've got to fit it in this pan. So what I'm going to do, because I have all of that other stuff, I'm going to go ahead and cut this in half. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to take my onion soup mix. And I'm going to coat the entire outside of these ribs. Look at that, isn't that good? That's going to be absolutely marvelous. Okay, and that's how it needs to look right there. After you get done doing that, you're going to have to clean off your hands. Boy, that stuff is good. Finger licking good. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this meat in this gorgeous roasting pan that Tammy found at the flea market. We're going to add our veggies, and we're going to add a little bit more seasoning to it, and then we'll get the cooking done. Okay, let's get this set up. You don't need that. Take it out. Take your meat, set your meat down in there, just like that. Ooh, it might not be big enough. I'm just gonna load all these veggies in there. I guess I'm gonna have to stuff them in there, aren't I? All this will cook down, I'm sure. Let's see if we can at least get the lid on top of it. Now that's going to be a meal fit for a king. Oh, yeah. Can't forget these guys. I should have put these guys in first. Whoops. Okay. You got a bigger pot, use it. Add some more seasoning, your onion soup mix. Over top your veggies. Oh, we cutting it close here. Isn't that funny? Look at that. All right. We're gonna put our lid on it. Oh, nope. One more thing, guys. One more thing. We need to put some fresh ground pepper on there. Now, I'm telling you what. Man, this is going to be freaking awesome. Look at all that food. For really only the ribs cost $8. And then how many potatoes I used? About 5. I used, I don't know, a dozen little miniature carrots, half a pound of mushrooms. That's it. Let's get it in the oven. All right, I gotta get this oven up 350. That's what I said. So you got to go 350. Timer on this only works for an hour, so I have to reset it. Duh. Check it out. All right, let's get it in the oven. Slide it in. I think with that much food in there, I think we're gonna need about 2 hours. That's how long it took me in my oven at 350 when I was 22 years old. So we'll see you in 2 hours. 2 hours later, we're going in for the kill. No, it's actually the reveal. Okay. Here we are. It's taste test time. Come on, Tammy. That's right. This is my little Eskimo girl. She is freezing.
It is.
That's one of the reasons why I had to do the cooking night, because she didn't want to come out here. We've been eating relatively slim lately. And so anyway, she's all excited. She can't wait to eat. I told her she's going to eat. She's going to have to come out and help me with my taste test.
Oh,
so go ahead. Yeah, I mean, it's 2 hours and it's dark out and it is cold.
It is cold. It's like 25 degrees out here and you can see our breath. I mean, it's just...
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going to do this taste test and I'm getting back into the fifth wheel where it's warm. Yeah, potato.
Watch it now. It might still be hot.
Out here?
Can you,
so good.
Can you taste that rib?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at her just pull that meat off with a fork.
Oh, yeah, just pull that meat off with a fork. I knew it was going to be good. I mean, we knew this was good.
Yeah.
All right.
What do you think?
Oh, yeah. I actually thought when he was putting that onion soup mix on there, I was laughing at him because I thought, oh, you put a ton. It worked out just fine.
Well, you got to figure out all that onion soup mix has got to season the entire pot.
Oh, it's so good.
Okay.
So good. There's carrot.
Can I get a bite? Let me get a bite real quick. Yes, I'm using her fork. Oh, here, let me show you this. You remember what I told you about being able to get you a chunk of onion? Look at that. That onion soup mixed with that onion in there. Okay.
Yep. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next one.
That's my line. I'm the cook.
Oh. Good night, everybody.
We're out.